Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a machine learning model that can predict the quality of wines based on various chemical attributes. Now before we get in the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so let's fire up our code editor and dive right into this. In this project, we'll be using a dataset of wine chemical attributes available within the Scikit-Learn's datasets module. Let's begin by importing the necessary libraries. Alright, let's run this, make sure we're good. So we first imported the pandas library for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, and the necessary components from the scikit-learn. Specifically, we'll be using the load wine function from datasets to load our wine dataset. Additionally, we import train to split the data into training and testing sets, logistic regression as our classification algorithm, and accuracy score to evaluate the model's performance. Now, let's load our wine dataset. A typo there. Alright, so first, alright, now we call the load wine function to fetch the wine dataset. The features, or the chemical attributes, are stored in the data variable, and the corresponding target labels, wine quality, are stored in the target variable. Next, let's split the data into training and testing sets. Right, so using the train test split, we split our data into training and testing sets. Here we allocate 20% of our data for testing, while the remaining 80% is used for training. The random state parameter ensures the reproducibility of the split. Now let's build our wine quality prediction model. For this project, we'll be using logistic regression as our classification algorithm. Alright, so here we initialize a logistic regression object as our model. Logistic regression is a suitable choice for multi-class classification tasks like wine quality prediction. We then train the model using the fit method, passing in the training features xtrain and labels ytrain. With our model trained, let's make some predictions now on the test set and evaluate its performance. Here we use the trained model to make predictions on the test set using the predict method. The predicted labels are stored in the predictions variable. To evaluate the model's performance, we compare the predicted labels with the true labels from the test set and calculate the accuracy using the accuracy score function. And lastly, all we have to do is print out the accuracy score to assess the performance of our wine quality prediction model. Right, so it seems to be pretty accurate. This score represents a percentage of correctly predicted wine qualities. The higher the accuracy, the better our model is at classifying the quality of wines. Alright, so we've just successfully built a machine learning model that can predict the quality of wines based on their chemical attributes using the Scikit library. The accuracy score helps us evaluate the model's performance, indicating how well it can classify the wine qualities. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.